Hey, want to peel your Superwrap? Come with me. So we've got this Volkswagen Golf in the shop. The product's been on for a couple months and now the client's ready for a change. So we're gonna go ahead and peel this off and show you how long it actually takes. We've got a timer here. We'll start it right now. Alright, so we're under 3 minutes, 30 seconds. So all together you can expect to get rid of your Superwrap in about 15 minutes. It'll be all ready to go. If you're having any residue or any hard to reach places, a pressure washer will take care of that. And if you have any other questions about the application or the removal process, our support team is always ready to answer any of your questions. Today we've got the BMW 335 in the shop from our boy Greg behind the camera. You've seen it in the staff pick before and I think he's ready for a new color. So what's next? We've got to peel the wheels, huh? Yeah, we do. Alright, so we're just going to jump right into it and show you guys how these wheels peel. Alright, so if you're peeling your wheels and you feel like it's coming off in smaller pieces instead of big sheets, then what we recommend is just kind of lifting up the product in a few key places. We can go ahead and grab our pressure washer and just start blasting it. So what it's going to do is it's going to get under the Superwrap, and at that point it's just going to lift the entire product up. And that's a disclaimer to you guys. If you do have any chips or some curb rash, don't be hitting it with a pressure washer because at that point the water will get under the wrap and that's when it's going to start lifting. So here we go. Alright guys, so there you have it. If you're having any trouble peeling off your Superwrap, grab a pressure washer and blast those wheels. The 335 is back to stock, so leave a comment below. Let us know what color you'd like to see on this car, and Greg will be happy to put it on. Alright Greg? There you go. Alright, see you guys next time.